Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Christopher Martin and Dexta Daps dropping new music? While speaking to E-Prime recently, the Beres Hammond listening party held at the RJ Arglina broadcast house, the Big Deal singer shared details of this new single unreleased with Dexta Daps.
I have a song coming out with myself and Dexta Daps, produced by Sean Izzle Records, so something that ladies will be really into. It's about when a girl calls you at a certain time, you should know what she wants. You understand?
He also gave an update on his upcoming musical moves.
I've been traveling extensively. We're in Europe for a while. How is it? Now October. So end of October we'll go to States for a few stints, and then I go back to Europe for 2 weeks, and then I come back and I have a Caribbean run.
Chris Martin is currently in the studio working on his new album, which is still untitled. The new album, to be released by VP Records, is the follow-up to Martin's 2017 release Big Deal, which was released in February last year. There was strong support from the government for Clarence Count Prince Miller's memorial service. Held yesterday at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center in Kingston, the service, organized by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, was attended by government officials, musicians, members of the entertainment fraternity, and well-wishers from across the United Kingdom and Jamaica. Reverend Dr. Thomas Tommy Cowan moderated the service, whilst the officiating clergy was Jamaican High Commissioner to the UK, His Excellency Pastor Seth George Ramakan. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange expressed that Count Prince Miller embodied and showcased authentic Jamaican culture.
A professional, Count Prince Miller understood the need to connect with and represent the people as he brought to the fore unapologetically and with bravado the style and character of the Jamaican persona.
Veteran singer Ken Booth recounted his memories of Count Prince.
And I remember that the first time I hear anybody sing about train, is him, Then I come follow it, then I follow up with that too. Said the train is coming, baby. Said the train is coming now.
Other tributes included Fab Five's Frankie Campbell, Abu Cooper from Third World, and singer Carleen Davis. Count Prince Miller's son, Jean-Pierre, expressed his gratitude, noting that his father was a proud Jamaican.
I just want to thank Jamaica because at the bottom line of it, Prince is a great Jamaican. Everything he did, everything he said was always Jamaica first, and everything else came second.
Count Prince Miller was at the core of Jamaican entertainment for over 6 decades and is recognized for his iconic record Mule Train, his pivotal role in the groundbreaking Caribbean music festivals at Wembley in 1969 and 1970, as well as his association with the James Bond movies. Count Prince Miller was also awarded the Order of Distinction Officer class from Governor-General Sir Kenneth Hall back in 2007. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.